WatchOS 10 is probably the best update ever for the Apple Watch. Let's go over some of the best features as well as look at the watches that are supported. Now, the first feature is the most interesting feature for me, and that is Smart Stack, which can be activated on any watch face by simply swiping up from the bottom or scrolling up on the digital crown. Now, this will allow you to see widgets based on what it feels you want to see at the time. So, for example, if you're listening to music, it'll show you a music widget at the top. And if you want to add a widget, you can do so by simply holding down on one and hitting the plus sign right here. Now, you may be wondering how you can get to the control center if you can no longer swipe from the bottom, and that's where a huge learning curve comes in. You now have to press the side button to activate the control center. And while this doesn't seem like a big change, you have no idea how many times I've invoked the Smart Stack by thinking it was still the control center. Now, the next feature is one I'm very excited about, and that is the redesigned apps, which seems like a small feature, but I believe it's going to be bigger than you think. The apps went from pretty much bland to a simple and beautiful design that looks a lot like the iPhone. And now the annual watch faces, which to me are the best watch faces ever. We have the amazing Snoopy watch face with tons of great animations, and the best part about this face is that it interacts with what you're doing from time to time. So for example, I was ejecting water from my watch and I saw Snoopy snorkeling. And when I woke up one day, I put my watch on and I saw him brushing his teeth. And it has become my favorite watch face because of all of the small details. The other watch faces include Palette, Solar Analog, and Nike Globe. So as you can see, WatchOS 10 is amazing. And it's available for Apple Watches Series 4 and newer. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech content. See you next time.